revolutionary product from Taiwan comes the second generation O-sulee Spring Cushion. It uses a 3-piece modular spring cushion as installation. It can effectively reduce the damage to shock absorber. Prolongs the lifespan of shock absorber, more stable when cornering. Promotes road stability by minimizing shaking, tilting, and drifting. It effectively softens the coil spring and smoothens the bumpy ride. So your road trip will be safer, more comfortable, and more stable. O-sulee Spring Cushion has 54 degrees of hardness with high impact strength and would not deform easily. Its resistance to high and low temperature from 240 degrees up to 50 degrees. O-sulee Spring Cushion is composed of Taiwan-made Thermoplastic Elastomer, which is not easily hardened nor softened, resistant to cracking and oxidation. It surpasses the American, European, and SGS test standard. It is not an ordinary elastomer that could be compared with. By installing O-sulee Spring Cushion at your vehicle, it will not only protect the shock absorber, but also promotes road stability and safety. Only O-sulee Spring Cushion could achieve such international standard effect. We welcome similar product to compare with. Once you tested and compared it, you will know the edge of O-sulee Spring Cushion. Comparison test. When driving in a sharp curve, the vehicle installed with O-sulee Spring Cushion significantly minimizes shaking, tilting, and drifting effect. It's more stable when making turn. Even the passenger who sits beside the driver would not move side by side and feels more comfortable. Stepping abruptly on the vehicle brakes results in a long-distance travel before it finally comes into stop. The O-sulee Spring Cushion minimizes this and therefore reduces the chances of accidents. When passing through bumpy roads, especially with humps in a fast speed, vehicle installed with O-sulee Spring Cushion would omit the chances of hitting the under chassis of the vehicle into the humps. It effectively softens the coil spring and smooths the bumpy ride of a vehicle. Installation procedure. Use the measurement tool and measure the size of the spring in between the second and third layer of the coil spring. Lift the car with a lifter and clean the spring steel bars using soapy water only. Clip the spring cushion in each spring of the shock absorber. Each spring cushion should be in between the second and third layer of the coil spring. After installation, road test the vehicle and check whether the spring cushion has been fully attached. It's easy to install, safe, and economical. With O-sulee Spring Cushion installed in your vehicle, your road trip with your family will surely be a memorable one with no more driving intervention.